This video will demonstrate how to perform linked takeoff using Accubid Anywhere in LiveCount. To draw a linked annotation, select an item from your takeoff pad or from within the database. Define any required parameters. And once you've done so, click the ellipsis to initiate the annotation draw. At any point during the annotation draw, you can click the Cancel button within LiveCount or Cancel within Accubid Anywhere to end the run and clean up any previously placed annotations. To end the run, right-click and then Commit, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. The values measured and the quantities obtained in LiveCount are synced over to Accubid Anywhere, and then you can commit those to the audit trail. The process for performing a manual count is similar. We'll be using a database item for this example. Select the item, define any required parameters, click the ellipsis for the quantity you wish to count, and then return to LiveCount and then proceed to take off your annotations as desired. Once you end the run, the quantities are synced over and they'll be updated in your audit trail. When performing linked takeoff, you will see that the source column reflects LiveCount.